Scotty, who's our special helper today?
My boss's mother, who I absolutely love and adore,
Mama.
who's absolutely sweet,
Mama's in the house.
and she's going over the car with us so that we have, and she has an idea because she's never really seen a lot of this stuff before. Come on, Mom. Come on. You can get the picture. I promise. We love you.
Oh, please.
We love you.
Oh, please.
Mama's here.
And you show that to everybody.
This goes on the internet.
Yeah.
This is going to be worldwide.
Yes, I know. I hear about a lot of stuff from the internet from my Avon customers. Your son is at it again.
Yes, we are. All right, so we got the screws out. I figured that out.
Yeah, so now I'll replace the ignition.
I was in my hungover fog. I figured it out. Yesterday.
So
was
now
rough.
it'll be pull this out,
Oh,
put
my
the new
God.
and put the new ignition with key in, so that we're good.
What
Because there's no key in that.
No, that's broken. That's the cock. There was a
I
lot of
didn't know it was in that bad a shape.
The easiest way to put it is a Michigan was working on the car.
I'm sure gonna.
Michigan.
So we'll
do you
get that fixed, and then I'll finish rewiring the column, put it all back together, and then I'll start on the wiring harness.
Big dash harness,
Yep.
and then I got to start wiring for the gauges here.
Oh, my God. I
Soon.
never seen. Was that all torn? No, not
No,
the last
not the last time you saw it. No.
No, the last time you
No.
saw it, almost all of
It
it was
had a
still there.
steering wheel on it, I'm sure.
Yeah. It's right
Thought
there.
it
Yeah,
did.
here's the steering wheel.
Yes, it did. Are you still? Hello? Are you still?
Yes.
Oh, please
Yes, we
turn
are.
it off.
Okay, fine.
Please turn it off.